Hello, hi, Mirna with Knitting with Mirna. Today's tutorial is how to make a pom-pom using your hands. Super simple. All you need is super bulky yarn in weight number 6 and your hands. So follow along and let's make this beauty. Thank you. Come on. Hi, this is Mirna with Knitting with Mirna, and today I'm going to show you how to make a pom-pom using super bulky yarn and just your hands. We're going to wrap this around our fingers and come up with a beautiful pom-pom. First, you want to cut a piece of yarn that we're going to need later to tie the pom-pom together. So maybe about 20 inches long. So I'm going to put that to the side, and then we are going to wrap the yarn between our thumb and pinky finger like this. Just wrap it around. I'm going to wrap this because I want my pom-pom to be very thick, about 30 times around my fingers, just like this. Not too tight, actually not tight at all, but just wrap it around like this, and I think this is good enough. Okay, then cut the piece of yarn, your working yarn, cut it off. Okay, slide this rolled up bunch up of yarn out of your fingers. Okay, and then kind of find the middle and tie this yarn. I'm going to tie this yarn by looping it through like this. Through like so. Okay, that's how I tie my. And then I'm going to tie it one more time just to make sure that it's not going to come loose. Like this. Okay. Then you're going to find the middle of these loops. It's pretty easy. You just put your fingers in here and you feel the loop and take your scissors and cut through. If you miss any loops, you can go back like this. Okay, and then you go to the other side and you do the same thing. Oh, I feel like I want to sneeze. I hope I don't sneeze. If I do, it's just a sneeze. Salute. Bless you. Okay, here we go. I found the center. I found all my loops. And then I'm going to cut through. Did I get everyone? Oh, there's one missing. Is there? Oh, yeah. They need to be cut too. Okay. And then I'm just going to move it down like this. Dust it off almost. And there is my bulky. Ah, there's another loop that didn't get the cut. You didn't make the cut. Now you made the cut. Okay. And this is how you make a pom-pom with bulky yarn. You can trim your ends just a little bit if you want it to be even. I don't care really. I kind of like mine to do whatever, wherever the yarn falls. It's fine with me. Let's see. Okay, well, let's clean it up a bit. And there you have it. A pom-pom just made with your hands in a few minutes. I'm still finding uncut loops. Just open them up. Oh, there's another one. Open it up. Is there another one? There we go. All right. And now this is how you make a pom-pom using your hands. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Click like. Leave a comment below. And if you would like to see other videos or get notifications on my videos, click on the bell. Thank you. See you soon. Bye-bye.